Big breaking news coming in. Virupaksha Biswas, a close aide of Sandeep Ghosh, was called in by the CBI for questioning. Biswas visited the CGO complex where he will face interrogation by the agency as part of their ongoing investigation. Big breaking news coming in from West Bengal. Virupaksha Biswas, a close aide of Sandeep Ghosh, who is the former principal of the RG Kaur Medical Hospital and College, has been called in by the CBI for questioning. Biswas visited the CGO complex where he will be facing interrogation by the agency as part of their ongoing investigation. Viewers, we are joined live by my colleague Vishakha from the Bangla newsroom. Vishakha, could you please help us understand what does this investigation mean for Biswas as he's getting involved in it?
See, Priyanka, the thing is that Virupaksha Biswas is one of the close aides of Sandeep Ghosh, who has been arrested in the case of Abhaya rape and murder case. And this Virupaksha Biswas is a very close aide of this Sandeep Ghosh, who is arrested right now and who's being taken, who can be taken for narco test analysis as well, as CBI sources are claiming. And the thing is that not only Virupaksha Biswas, another close aide of Sandeep Ghosh is Obhik De, who is equally involved in the Abhaya case right now. He's been allegedly involved, and he will be summoned in the CGO complex of CBI department. Maybe today only, maybe after 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. or something like this. And these two people are very much close to Sandeep Ghosh, and they have been seen in the crime spot, in the crime scene just outside the seminar room on 9th August, where Abhaya's body was found in half-naked condition. And all of them who are being taken for investigation and who are being interrogated right now, amongst one of them is Virupaksha Biswas, as you said, and another is Obhik De. These two people, these two PGTs and doctors, they are continuously being investigated. Their role is continuously being investigated in this particular case, because these two people are very much close to Sandeep Ghosh, and these two are very much close to the ruling party, TMCP as well, TMC and TMCP as well, and they had power over the entire RG Kaur and the entire medical college infrastructure in the entire state of Bengal. So there is an allegation of trade culture as well, where also we find the names of Virupaksha Biswas, Obhik De, and so on. And of course there comes the name of Sandeep Ghosh and other senior doctors as well. Sandeep Ghosh is no longer a doctor, as you know, but the thing is that in this case, these two names, Obhik De and Virupaksha Biswas, are playing a very vital role, as the investigators are saying through the sources. And now the thing that CBI is actually in a top gear for their investigation, and here comes the two names, Virupaksha Biswas and Obhik De, and this is very much crucial in these circumstances.
Thank you, Vishakha, for those details. We'll keep getting back to you throughout the day for more developments.